Okay, let's take a quick architectural tour of this pretty cool full-stack to-do app. The project's own docs tell us exactly what we're looking at, a really modern tech stack. First up, let's dig into the back end. The engine that makes the whole thing run. At its heart, it does exactly what you'd expect. Create, read, update, and delete tasks. And check this out. It's all exposed through a super clean, logical, RESTful API structure. Now, what's really interesting is the modern tech they actually chose to build this on. So, it's running on Python 3.11 with the super fast Fast API framework. A great choice. An SQL model is kind of the magic here. It makes talking to the database feel natural. They're smart about it too. SQLite for dev and beefy neon PostgreSQL for production. Okay, we've got the foundation, but how do they keep it all secure? Let's talk JWT. They're using JSON Web Tokens, or JWTs. This is basically how they handle who gets in. The setup is pretty standard. HS256 algorithm and tokens that expire after 1 week. So how does this actually work? How do you get to your data and nobody else's? It's a simple flow. Your request sends a token, the app checks it, and finds you. And here's the kicker. You can only see your own stuff. No peeking allowed. All right, last part. Let's look at the project's code DNA. What's this app really made of? Whoa, okay, you can see this is a true full-stack project with TypeScript dominating the front end. And that Python chunk? That's the entire backend we just walked through. Almost a third. This kind of split is super common. It keeps the front end and back end nice and separate. The foundation is solid, and security is tight. So the big question is, what's next?